Hi, we're back at Mark's Electrical Studio, and today we're looking at the Indesit Star NCAA55SUK fridge freezer. Now, Indesit products are very well known in the UK. They've been around a long time. The company originated in Italy and are market leaders in many European countries, so they are now multinational. Their products are well made, and with a 5-year parts guarantee, you can rest assured that this will stand the test of time. Finished in silver and simply and pleasingly designed, this economical product has an A+ energy rating to save you money, and the initial bargain price of the product means it's even easier on the bank account. Now, the doors are reversible. They're right-hand hinge, but they can be swapped to left-hand depending on your setup at home. Now, opening up the 155 gross litre capacity fridge, you can see it's spacious enough for a small to medium-sized family, with 3 good-sized door shelves. The bottom one, being the bottle shelf, has got a high-profile lip to stop the bottles from tumbling out. Inside the cabinet, there's antibacterial coatings, and there are 2 height adjustable safety glass shelves. There's a 3rd safety glass shelf which acts as a lid for the 2 fruit and veg crispers. That's handy. You can have fruit in one and veg in the other. The temperature adjuster for the fridge is near the light, which is quite well lit, and there's a super freeze button for the freezer just under there as well. Moving on to the 73 gross litre capacity freezer. There's a great seal on the door, so you have to give it a bit of a tug to open it. And inside, the top 2 cavities are shelves rather than drawers, with see-through front so you can see what products are in there. Drop down doors, that's the top 2. The bottom one is actually a drawer with a stopper on it, but it will easily lift out for loading and unloading. And there's a handy ice cube maker on the top there, which is handy because you always know where that is. The top cavity is fast freeze, and there's a super freeze option for when you do your big shop. Now, dimensions wise, there's a height of 1,610 millimeters, there's a width of 600 millimeters, and there's a depth of 660 millimeters. But you will need to add on 5 millimeters either side of the appliance and at the back for clearance. Now, another important dimension to consider is the door balcony. Now, this is the thickness of the door plus handles when opening against a side wall. Now, in this case, there are no handles sticking out because they're integral, but we still have a balcony there to consider. Now, at 90 degrees, it adds 25 to 30 millimeters onto the width of the fridge. So, summing up, this bargain price product looks good, is well made and efficient, and has a 5-year parts and 1-year labour guarantee. And you could have one in your home tomorrow. Free delivery with a 2-hour time slot from Mark's Electrical. And that's evenings and weekends included.